An iPhone case for less than £2. An AliExpress app that's just too easy to use after you've had a few drinks. This is the Tech Travel Geeks review of the Heat Dissipation Breathable Cooling Case for iPhone 12 from Premier Fashion Case Store. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so as I mentioned in the opening to this video, I ordered quite a few cases recently on AliExpress. Very affordable cases, which seem to be streaming through in the post at the moment. That's why we've been publishing more videos about phone cases here in the morning on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. This is a heat dissipation breathable cooling case for iPhone 12. What does that mean? Well, pretty much it's a mesh silicone case with some nice colourful buttons at the side. So, my iPhone 12, I've been using this quite a lot since purchasing it a while back, and one thing I do want to do is avoid smashing that orangey product red back, and that's why all these wonderful cases are good fun. Now you'll see that this heat dissipation breathable cooling case for iPhone 12, as the product is catchily named, is quite holy. And there's a little bit of extra holing to show off that fruity Apple logo. It's not perfect, you can't really tell that that's the case, but I suppose with the camera module and the fact that you're probably a hipster using an iPhone, people will know that it's an iPhone. Now, the camera module is protected, it's recessed within the case, which is something that I always look for. I'm terrified of putting my phone down and accidentally smashing that module. It is one of the key features of the iPhone 12 is the camera. And the case has a nice on-off button, which works perfectly well, no issues there. And the same with the volume rocker. I've had no issues at all with it. You can see that the volume controls work perfectly well. There's also a cutout on the side for that silent mode on and off switch. It works well. You just need to make sure you get your fingernail in there. It is quite deep. Now, one thing I'll say after having used this case for a few weeks now is that it's not an exactly perfect fit. You'll see that along the edge here, I'll switch the screen off, along the edge here you can see a little bit of that red, product red colour coming through. That's because on the right hand side of the device it doesn't fit perfectly. But apart from that, I think it's a good case for less than £2. There's really nothing to complain about. And I did, through the app, choose this nice navy blue with lime green or fluorescent green button insert. I quite like that. It's a bit of a contrast. It makes the iPhone look even more toyish. But one thing I did do was I was undecided about my consumer decision, so I also got a nice black and red one. Let's have a look at what that looks like. So you're going to be treated to an unboxing here. This is how it arrives in a plastic sleeve with a little bit of styrofoam to keep the device safe. Now you can see this is black with real red buttons, not that product red orangey stuff. Let's see what the iPhone 12 looks like in there. So here we have my iPhone 12. I'm going to slip it in power button first. Let me switch the screen off. So clip, clip, and there we go. So need to just make sure the edges are in place. And there we go. So this is a slightly better fit than the yellow one. Let's check the power button. It works perfectly well. Volume button, volume up, volume down, no issues at all there. And the same with the volume rocker. So this is one of about 10 different color combinations available for this case, the Heat Dissipation Breathable Cooling Case for iPhone 12. I will pop a link in the description, so if you're wishing to spend less than £2 and have free shipping all the way from China for this Heat Dissipation Breathable Cooling Case for iPhone 12, please feel free to purchase from there. By doing so, you will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. But I think that's all for now. As far as the review goes, I can recommend this for less than £2. There's little to complain about. That little niggle of the bit of the side of the phone showing through the case is not really an issue to me. It doesn't trigger my OCD, so not an issue there. So recommended for me. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching, and I will just sit here and contemplate the two colors and which one I want to use on a day-to-day basis on my iPhone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.